Good morning, children. We have learned in previous classes multiplication, and today we are going to learn how to divide. Question from question 8. Question 8 is 6 point how to divide. 6.25 divided by 5. So first we will arrange this question. There is 6.25. 6.25 is dividend and divisor is 5. 5 1 jar 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down 2. 6 2 jar 10. Now we have taken one digit after of the decimal. So we will put decimal. Now 2 is left here. Bring down 5. 5 5 jar 25. What is the answer here? 1.25 is quotient and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now 11.5 to 6 divide by 17. There is 7. 17 is divisor and what is dividend? 11.5 to 6. So 11 before of the decimal, it is whole number. If the whole number is smaller than the divisor, so we will take the number after of decimal. Now we will take 5 also. Now it is 115. Count the table of 17. 17 1 jar 17, 17 2 jar 34, 3 jar 51, 4 jar 68 and 5 jar 85 and 17 6 jar 102. Now subtract it 3 1. Bring down 2. And first we will, if we have taken one number after the decimal, so we will decimal, put the decimal in divisor before of the first quotient. Now there is 132. 17 8 jar 17 7 jar 119. 17 8 jar 126. 136. So 17 7 jar 119. 12 minus 9 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down 6. 8 jar 136. So 0 is remainder. Quotient is 0.678 and remainder is 0. Now question 9. Question 9 is using shortcut method find the quotient. Shortcut method find the quotient. Question 9. 8.23 divided by 100. How to do this quotient? Because there is 8.23 and divide by 100. So how to do in shortcut method? Answer is, because there is 2 zeros and there is also 2 numbers after the decimal 2 and 3. If we divide by 100, so answer is 823. Because there is 2 zeros and there is 2 numbers after of the decimal, so we will remove the decimal because we are doing divide by 100. If there is 2 numbers after of the decimal and divide by 100, so answer will be always in whole numbers. Now next is 85.275 divided by 1000. Divide by 1000. If now we will see how many zeros are in 1000, 3 zeros, and after of the decimal there is 3 digits 275. So answer will be 85275. Answer is this. Answer, sorry, 8.275. If we divide, these are 3 zeros, this is also 275. We will open the decimal and there is 1 tens, hundreds and thousand, and multiply by 1000 also. 85275 upon 10 lakh. So, how many zeros? 2, 4, 6 and numbers are 5. So, we will put 0.085275. Answer is this. Now, these are divide by 10, divide by 100 and divide by 1000. Now, two questions are here. Word problem. Cost of petrol in Delhi, rupees 70 per liter, and how much petrol can be purchased for 749 rupees. There is asking how much petrol. One petrol cost is 70 rupees and he has taken 749, taken the petrols rupees 749, and how much petrol he got. So, cost of ₹70 in 70 rupees can take the petrol equal to 1 liter. In 749 rupees can take petrol 1 upon 70 divided 749, and 749 divided by 70. 71 jar 70. 4 is left, bring down 9, and there is 49 is smaller than 70. So, we will take 0 and bring down 0 with 49. 7 jar 490. So, how many petrol he purchased in rupees 749? 1 liter and 7 milliliter. So, answer is 1 liter 7 milliliter. Now, last question is, a person income is rupees 9,357 per month, considering a month has 30 days, and what is the daily income of the person? He has done the work in 30 days and income is rupees 9,357 in a month. So, his salary is, question 10, is in 30 days. Rupees 9,357 rupees. His salary is in 1 day. So, 9,357 divided by 30. 9357 is dividend and we will take divisor 30. So, 33s are 90. 3 is left, bring down 5. 1 jar 30, 5 is left, bring down 7, 30, 1 jar 30, 7, 2, bring down 0 and 0.9, 270. Now his salary per day is, per day salary is 311.9 rupees. It means his salary one day, his salary is 311 rupees 9 paise per day. So students, now you will do practice of this exercise at home properly. Thank you.